This SketchUp tutorial is about using the mirror command. The first thing that you need to know about the mirror command is that there isn't a specific button for it. It's actually more of a keyboard shortcut, or just, kind of knowing a little bit of a trick. The second thing you need to know is that you can't create a mirror and a copy at the same time. So the first thing you need to do is actually copy the object and then mirror it, if that's something you want to do. If you actually wanted to just keep the one shape and flip it, that of course is an option. But what I'm going to do is triple click on my object and make a copy of it. I'm going to grab my move tool, hit the control key, pick my base point, and move off the direction I want to go, and maybe I'll say 30 feet away, and just to give me some space in between. So now I have an exact copy of this original object, but they're still, of course, facing the same direction. To make a mirror, what you do is have your object selected and pick the scale tool. So mirror is associated with the scale tool. Then what you do is actually grab this middle gripper, and whatever grip that you want to flip across, basically. So I'm going to grab this grip right here and pull it until I've completely squashed my object and it flips through the other way. As I'm doing that, I'm going to take a look down in the lower right hand corner at my value control box. It says red scale, and that's because I'm going along the red axis. And you'll see that when I start out this way, it says red scale 1. As I move in this direction, that number is shrinking. So along the red axis, I'm at half the width right now, 0.5. Once I basically land on it and flip over, that number becomes negative. When I get to -1, I have a perfectly mirrored copy. Then I can just get out of that tool and we can take a look at it, and we have a mirror. So the mirror tool is just associated with scale. We have our object selected, pick scale, and then just grab the gripper, pull it the other direction, and to keep it with the same proportions, we just let it be -1 and get out of there. And that's how you create a mirror.